How to cancel Boom subscription. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to cancel Boom subscription. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to install the Boom app on your mobile phone. Once you've installed it on your mobile phone, you open it, and this is the first thing you're going to see on your mobile screen. You see where at the top right corner you see the settings icon. Also at the top left corner you see the three lines here. You can click on the lines to see what it's there. So it says that you have to choose a connection. So that you choose a date connection or BFF connection. Okay, so you can choose any of this connection for people to have easy access to connect to you. So those that are also on the date connection will have easy access to connect to you if you choose the date connection. When you choose the BFF connection, people that just want to make friends and find community on the Boom app will locate you on the app as well. So it's very essential that you choose a connection. Also, Boom is an app for online dating, online relationship, or online friendship. Okay, so the settings icon, under the settings icon you see several options there. You can just go through it, okay, and explore the page. You can scroll down and scroll up just to see what it entails. Okay, so now back to the question out. Okay, at the center of the screen, at the upper part, you see the round circle showing your profile picture. You also see your name and your age. Then you see several offers that are available on Boom. So if you want to subscribe to any of those offers, just make sure that the one you're choosing is the one you'll be able to afford. Now back to the question, how to cancel Boom subscription. Here I have not subscribed, okay, but for you, since you want to learn how to cancel Boom subscription, it means that you've subscribed to one of the offers available on Boom. So all you need to do is to simply click on the particular offer that you subscribe to. Once you click on it, the page will be the option will be displayed on your screen to ask if you want to cancel, or if you want to cancel the offer, that is your subscription to the offer, or you want to renew your subscription. So you have to make your choice. So if you want to still cancel your subscription to the offer, you simply click on cancel. But if you want to renew your subscription, you click on renew my subscription. So it's very simple. Okay, I've not subscribed to any offer here, so I'll not be able to do that, but for you, you should be able to do it. So just follow the instruction like I've said earlier. Click on the particular offer that you subscribe to. Once you click on it, I'll just have a long press on it for like 2 to 3 minutes seconds rather. Then the option to either renew your subscription or cancel your subscription will pop up on your screen. Then you make your choice. If you want to cancel, you click on cancel. Or if you want to renew, you click on renew. So that's simple. Okay, so this is simply how to cancel Boom subscription. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.